Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And starting this month, we're going to pound on a subject as often as possible. And how about something very practical, since this is Practical Hakka, and that is, how much is this? Okay?
头家几多钱？
对，没错，老板多少钱？ Okay, literally that means, hey boss, how much is this? And that's a polite form of asking how much is this in the Chinese culture. 所以再讲一次怎么说？
头家几多钱？
头家, that's boss or sir.
几多钱？
Okay, that is how much does this cost? 那今天去买什么呢？
衣服好不好？
衣服好，你知道吗？其实我很爱买衣服。
不是因为每个人都要穿衣服。
我比逛3C 产品我可以花的时间还要多，就是在衣服上面，真的。所以呢 ，Let's go ahead and teach you phrases on when you shop for clothing. All right, questions you might ask or vocabulary that you might use. 衣服先啦。衫这么简单哈，衫衣服啦。
那海陆腔的衣服，
Some. Okay, that's a different dialect for saying clothing, all right? Some or some. 好，那我们去买衣服的时候一定要试穿咯，对不对？所以尺寸一定要问，尺寸怎么说？尺寸 that's size. 然后呢，可能某一个衣服好看，可是你现在是紫色的，感觉不喜欢，想要红色的，想要黄色的，还是要黑色的？颜色 the color of the shirt. How do you say color?
Set.
都好简单哦 set. 所以 some is 衣服 set 是颜色
Yes
所以 some set 就是衣服的颜色
那要讲 some get set
对了 some get set OK 就是 that means the color of the clothes alright but set is color alright let's make a question out of this 就很简单的嘛问说这件衣服多少钱
因为买完要付钱了
对啊然后也知道能不能负担得起啦其实这件衣服多少钱 How much is this shirt
亚两三几多钱
亚两三几多钱 So remember 几多钱 means how much right 亚两三 that means this shirt how much is it Alright let's review these terms Your shirt or blouse 衣服
衫
and then the size 尺寸尺寸 and finally the color 颜色 set and don't forget in general when you want to ask how much is this
头家几多钱
头家几多钱 or simply 几多钱也可以啦哈 So there you have it that's today's practical Hakka
什么大家
俺只say张来了
客家风情由客家委员会监制
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.